Good morning, Miss Cookie. Good morning, Kiki. Good morning, Miss Cannoli. And good morning to you. Okay, so it's about 9 something and Alan already left for work. We had coffee together this morning. So I'm about to start cleaning. I just have to get out of my house coat and my pajamas and put some cleaning clothes on, and then we're gonna get right into the cleaning. Today I'm starting off in my bedroom. I'm gonna make my bed and do a few other things in here, and then we'll move on to the kitchen, living room, bathroom, all that fun stuff. Not in that order, but we're just gonna go with the flow.
I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart be raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
So I just got done making my bed and I sprayed one of my new Dossier perfumes on my decorative comforter. I'm also gonna be spraying this all around the room, on my curtains and stuff like that. So this one is the Floral Grapefruit. This is my newest favorite. I'm obsessed with it. It smells amazing and it lingers forever. I used this the other day in my bedroom and on myself, and by the end of the day, it still smelled just like this perfume when I walked in my room. Amazing, outstanding. This perfume is so good. I cannot even express to you how good this one is.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started.
Okay, so I'm officially done with my room. Doesn't look perfect, but she's clean, and that's all that matters. Say hi to the birdies. Hey, birdie. So my kitchen's not too bad, but there's a few things I need to put away, and I do need to empty out the dishwasher, and that's about it. So let's get started.
Down, we're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want. Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I
All right, now that I'm done wiping off the counters and the microwave, stove, and the icebox, I'm moving on to my bathroom. I'm just wiping off surfaces and then I'll be cleaning the floor after, but I'm gonna clean my mirror and my sink and my countertop now.
keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
So now that I'm done with everything else, I'm going to be cleaning the floors. I am using my wet dry vac. I'll have this link down below if you want to check it out. It vacuums and mops at the same time. It's amazing. I love it. They also have a good deal going on right now. There'll be a coupon code down in the description. I'm out of breath because I'm out of shape. And I've been doing a lot in here, and it's actually really hot in here today. So anyways, let's continue.
Hate playing the game. If I let you in, I want you to stay. And I hope that I'm not wrong. And you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it. Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it. You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so heavy.
Let's check out the results from today's cleaning. Ooh, not too bad. Thank God. I sure wish my camera had a smell-o-vision because I used the powdery hawthorn from Dossier all in my bathroom, on my shower curtain, and my decorative towels. It smells unbelievable in here. You can see how much I have used of this because it's one of me and Alan's favorites. It smells so good. Yeah, I sprayed this all in my bathroom. It smells amazing. And I just want to stand in here and smell it all day because it smells so good.
We got this.
Anyways, I'm completely done cleaning my bathroom. I put my rugs down, and then same in my kitchen, put my rugs back down. I am pooped out. I am overheated, out of breath, sweaty, and I'm ready to just sit down. But I'm not gonna be able to do that because as of right now, I am transferring files to my computer so that I can get them in my editor, edit this video, and get it out to you guys. So anyways, I do have to straighten up that over there. And yeah, it smells so good in here right now. I love it. Anyways, even though I'm out of breath, I'm gonna talk just another minute or so. I wanna say thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to get up and get some cleaning done. I didn't do too much cleaning in here today, but the things I did was just necessary for now. Ain't nobody got time for deep cleaning today. Your girl is wore out. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, ooh, cat hair, and you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to also hit the bell, which turns on the notifications, which will make sure that you are always notified when I post a new video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you have anything to say, leave it down below in the comments. And now I'm gonna shut up. I will see y'all next time. I need to cool off. I got a sweat mustache growing right there. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.